Hello, what's up guys, I am Mariovit and today I will show you the best card graphic in the world. The best CPU and GPU graphic card. Okay, I will show you. Here is page user benchmark. Here you have the best CPU processor, but I want the GPU. Okay, for the moment we will see real world speed. It is NVIDIA RTX 3019T. The cost this card graphic, as you can see, the best I have a card GTX, where it is. Oh, I have this card 1018 is much better, as you can see, the best in the world. What is price? This card takes 3000 Ti as price. Right, this. Oh my goodness, RTX. Very good price. A very good price. Okay, as you can see, it is cost. And that's all. Thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe. Bye bye and see you next time. Thanks.